Most of us see fruit as a simple, healthy snack, something light, something sweet. But what if I told you that a few specific fruits, chosen with intention, could do more than just provide vitamins? What if they could actively help reverse the muscle decay that begins after our 60s? That's right. The solution to fighting back against sarcopenia, unseen erosion of our strength that threatens our balance and independence, might not be in an expensive gym membership, but sitting in your kitchen right now. We've been led to believe that becoming weaker is an inevitable part of aging, but scientific evidence is proving that to be false. You can regain strength after 60, and it can start with your next meal. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the 5 most powerful fruits, backed by clinical studies, that support muscle repair, reduce joint inflammation, and even improve your sleep. These are affordable, everyday foods. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll share the most crucial tip of all: the exact timing for eating these fruits that can transform your body's ability to heal itself. Are you ready to feel stronger? Let's begin. Hello, I'm Dr. Kenji Sato, and welcome to the Senior Wellness Center. My passion is to provide you with clear, science-backed strategies to help you live a stronger, more vibrant life in your best years. Today, we're unlocking the hidden power of simple foods to reclaim the strength you thought was lost for good. Of course, the information in this video is for educational purposes. It's always best to consult with your personal physician before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Your health is a team effort, and your doctor is a key player on that team. Now, before we dive in, if you're ready to take control of your health, I invite you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And to help me create the best content for you, please comment 1 below if you find this video helpful, or 0 if you don't. Your feedback is invaluable. Let's start with our first muscle-building ally. Number 1. Bananas, the gentle powerhouse for muscle recovery and potassium. As we get older, our bodies don't bounce back quite like they used to. Muscles that once felt strong may now cramp unexpectedly or tire more easily. This is often a sign that our muscles are crying out for essential minerals they're no longer getting in sufficient amounts. This is where the humble banana comes in. Just 1 medium banana a day can be a game. Why? Because bananas are one of nature's richest sources of potassium, a critical mineral for proper muscle contraction and nerve communication. Low potassium is a leading cause of muscle cramps and weakness, a common issue for many seniors. Now, I know what many of you might be thinking. What about the sugar? It's a valid concern, but the natural sugar in a banana is packaged with fiber. This combination is key, as fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, providing you with a steady, stable source of energy without the dramatic spike and crash you'd get from processed sweets. This sustained energy is perfect for fueling your daily activities. Bananas are also packed with vitamin B6, which is crucial for improving your body's ability to use protein to rebuild tired muscles. Think of it as ensuring the protein you eat is actually put to work. Best of all, they are incredibly easy on an aging digestive system. For those who find chewing tougher meats difficult, or whose appetite is decreased, a soft, ripe banana is a comforting and nourishing option that requires no preparation. It's nature's gentle recovery shake, made for your body's changing needs. But while bananas are fantastic for replenishing essential minerals and providing stable energy, our next fruit tackles a different, hidden enemy of muscle health: chronic inflammation. Let's explore the small, dark berry that's clinically proven to soothe aching muscles from the inside out. Number 2. Blueberries, the inflammation fighter your muscles have been waiting for. Do you ever wake up with a subtle stiffness, or notice your joints aching after some light gardening? That discomfort often isn't just old age, it's a sign of low-grade chronic inflammation, a hidden enemy that silently breaks down muscle tissue over time. This is where blueberries become your secret weapon. These tiny berries are a clinical powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly compounds called anthocyanins. These are what give blueberries their deep, rich color, and they've been proven to be incredibly effective at fighting inflammation at a cellular level. Studies from leading institutions like Tufts University and Harvard Medical School have shown remarkable results. In these studies, older adults who consumed blueberries daily experienced not just improved muscle strength and walking speed, but also better balance and coordination, all critical for maintaining your independence. For those concerned about blood sugar, here's the good news. Blueberries have a low glycemic index. This means a simple handful, about 1 cup, a day, provides these powerful benefits without causing a sharp rise in your blood sugar levels, making them an excellent and safe choice for almost everyone. They work by protecting your mitochondria, tiny energy factories inside your muscle cells. As we age, these factories get damaged, making it harder for muscles to recover and grow. Blueberries act like a shield, allowing your muscles to heal more efficiently and respond better to activity. So, by adding a handful of these delicious berries to your daily routine, you're not just enjoying a snack. You're actively fighting the inflammation that contributes to muscle loss. But while blueberries are masters of protection, our next fruit is a master of construction. It provides the key ingredient your body needs to literally build new, stronger tissue. Number 3. Oranges, the collagen booster that rebuilds muscle from within. There's something so comforting about peeling a fresh orange, that bright color and familiar scent. But for those of us over 60, this fruit represents far more than just a refreshing treat. It holds a powerful key to rebuilding the very foundation of our muscles. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen. Think of collagen as the vital scaffolding that holds your muscles, tendons, and joints together. Without enough of it, our bodies struggle to repair the microscopic damage from everyday movement. Over time, this leads to that familiar stiffness, joint pain, and a visible loss of strength. This is where oranges become so crucial. They are packed with vitamin C, which is not just an immune booster. It is the primary nutrient your body absolutely requires to synthesize new collagen. Eating 1 whole orange each day provides your body with the essential tool it needs to start repairing and reinforcing that muscular framework. And for those worried about sugar, eating the whole fruit is much better than drinking juice. The fiber in an orange helps to slow down sugar absorption, giving you a steady energy release. Plus, vitamin C helps your body absorb iron from plant-based foods like spinach, which is critical for keeping your muscles energized and well. Now, while vitamin C acts as the spark to start the collagen engine, providing your body with high-quality bricks, the collagen itself can dramatically accelerate that rebuilding process. For those looking for that extra support, a quality grass-fed collagen peptide powder is a fantastic addition. It's tasteless and mixes easily into your morning coffee or smoothie. For your convenience, I've linked to an excellent option I trust in the first pinned comment below this video. You can also scan the QR code on your screen to learn more. So, oranges help build the very structure of your muscles. But what if your body isn't properly using the protein you eat to begin with? Our next fruit is a small, fuzzy powerhouse that unlocks the full potential of every protein-rich meal you consume. Number 4. Kiwi, the tiny fruit that unlocks protein power. At first glance, the kiwi might seem humble with its fuzzy brown skin. But beneath that exterior lies a vibrant green powerhouse that can make a profound difference in how your body heals and rebuilds muscle, especially as you age. It's a true science-backed ally against sarcopenia. One of the most overlooked challenges after 60 is a natural decline in digestive efficiency. Our bodies produce less stomach acid and fewer digestive enzymes, which means we struggle to fully break down and absorb the protein from our meals. Even a high-protein diet can fall short if your body can't access those vital nutrients. This is where the kiwi shines. It contains a unique natural enzyme called actin. Clinical studies have shown that actinidin significantly enhances the digestion of protein, particularly from sources like meat and dairy. Eating just 1 kiwi with a protein-rich meal helps your body unlock and utilize those crucial amino acids for muscle repair and preservation. For those who might have a kiwi allergy, pineapple is a wonderful alternative. It contains a similar enzyme called bromelain, which also aids in protein digestion. But of course, we know it's not always easy to hit your daily protein goals just through meals, especially when appetite can be a challenge. For those days, or to ensure you're getting a quick and easily digestible source, a high-quality protein powder designed for seniors can be look for one that's clean without a lot of fillers. to help you reach that target of 25 to 30 grams of protein. To save you the trouble of searching, I've selected a senior-friendly, easy-to-digest protein powder that I recommend. You can find the link in the first pinned comment below, or simply scan the QR code now on your screen. It's a simple way to ensure your muscles get the fuel they need. Beyond digestion, kiwi is also extraordinarily rich in vitamin C. Even more than oranges, further boosting that important collagen production for strong muscles and tendons. But while kiwi helps your body absorb and rebuild during the day, our final fruit works its magic at night. Let's look at the nighttime healer that supports deep sleep and muscle recovery while you rest. Number 5. Tart cherries. The nighttime healer that rebuilds muscle while you sleep. There is something deeply restorative about a good night's rest. But for those over 60, sleep is more than just about feeling refreshed. It's the primary time your body works to repair muscle tissue, balance hormones, and reduce the inflammation that wears down your strength. This is why what you consume before bed is so critical. And when it comes to supporting this natural healing cycle, few foods can match the power of tart cherries. Unlike the sweet cherries we enjoy in summer, the Montmorency variety of tart cherries is a specific type packed with naturally occurring melatonin, the very hormone your body uses to signal it's time for sleep. As we age, our natural melatonin production declines, which is why many of us find it harder to fall and stay asleep. Multiple studies have shown that consuming tart cherries before bed can significantly improve both sleep quality and duration. This gives your muscles the uninterrupted time they need to rebuild from the day's wear and tear. But that's only half the story. Tart cherries are also loaded with anthocyanins, the same powerful anti-inflammatory compounds found in blueberries. Research from Oregon Health and Science University discovered that older adults who consumed tart cherry products experienced less muscle soreness after exercise, recovered faster, and saw improvements in their strength over time. A simple way to incorporate this is with a small 4-ounce glass of tart cherry juice about an hour before bed. However, finding a version without added sugar can be tricky, as many commercial juices are loaded with sweeteners that can disrupt your sleep. To ensure you're getting all the benefits without the unnecessary sugar, I recommend a high-quality unsweetened tart cherry juice concentrate. A little goes a long way. I've placed a link to the one I recommend in the first pinned comment, and you can also scan the QR code on your screen now. Alternatively, a small handful of dried tart cherries makes a wonderful, calming snack. Now that we've covered these 5 incredible fruits, the most important question remains: when exactly should you be eating them to get the maximum muscle-building benefits? The answer might surprise you. When to eat these fruits for maximum muscle-building impact? By now, you've learned how powerful the right fruits can be in supporting strength and reducing inflammation. But here's a crucial piece of information most people overlook. Timing is just as important as the nutrients themselves, especially for those of us over 60. You see, as we age, our bodies can become less responsive to the natural signals that trigger muscle growth. This means we need to be more strategic with our meals to give our muscles the right fuel at the right time. Let's break it down into 3 key moments. First, the morning window. After a full night of fasting, your body has been breaking down a small amount of muscle to keep your organs functioning. Your first meal is your chance to stop this breakdown and flip the switch into muscle-building mode. Aim for a breakfast that combines high-quality protein with one of our powerhouse fruits within the first hour of waking. For example, a bowl of oatmeal with banana slices and chia seeds, or Greek yogurt topped with fresh blueberries. This jumpstarts muscle repair and provides sustained energy for your day. Second, the post-activity window. Your next opportunity comes right after physical activity. And this doesn't require an intense gym session. Even a simply 15-minute walk or some light gardening makes a difference. In the 1 to 2 hours after you move, your muscles are primed and ready to absorb nutrients for repair. This is the perfect time for a recovery snack, a protein shake blended with kiwi to enhance absorption, or a bowl of cottage cheese with tart cherries can significantly boost your recovery. You're not just feeding your hunger. You are strategically fueling repair when your body needs it most. And third, the evening window. As we discussed, nighttime is when your body does its most important healing. Consuming tart cherries or a small glass of their juice before bed can improve your sleep quality and reduce inflammation, creating the perfect environment for overnight muscle repair. This simple habit can help you wake up feeling stronger and less stiff. By timing your fruit intake correctly, you work with your body's natural rhythms, not against them. You turn each meal into a strategic opportunity for healing and strength. So, there you have it. 5 simple, powerful fruits: bananas, blueberries, oranges, kiwi, and tart cherries, each playing a unique role in rebuilding muscle and fighting sarcopenia. We've learned that by pairing them with protein and, most importantly, timing them correctly, you can transform your meals into moments of healing. The truth is, you don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. You just need to make small, intentional choices. Start your morning with a banana, enjoy a kiwi with your meal, and let tart cherries guide you into a restful, restorative sleep. These aren't just snacks. They are quiet acts of self-care. It is never too late to take back control of your body. Aging is a reality, but so is resilience. Your muscles are still listening, and they are waiting for you to give them the tools they need to grow stronger. For your convenience, I've gathered links to some of the high-quality, senior-friendly products we discussed today, like the collagen powder and unsweetened tart cherry juice. You can find them all listed in the first pinned comment below this video. I encourage you to check them out as you begin this journey. Will you take that first step today? Will you turn your kitchen into a place of healing, strength, and hope? If this video has inspired you, please give it a like and share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe to the Senior Wellness Center for more strategies to live your best life every single day. And if you enjoyed this content and want to continue your journey to a healthier life, check out the videos appearing on your screen now. I'm sure they'll help you immensely. Click on one of them, and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.